Hello,
Hello, teacher.
how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Good. We seem to have a little bit of a problem with our Zoom today, I think. Okay, what did you do today?
Today I go to school. I went to school and studied. Yeah.
Okay, good. So are you enjoying it? Is it fun? Is it nice to be back at school? Do you want to be back at home? Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
Okay, good. So we're going to learn about grammar zero conditional. Okay, so here we have a text that we have to read. Can you read it for me?
Lie detectors detect small changes in a person's body when they are telling the truth. If you tell a lie, you feel stressed, and if you are stressed, your heart starts to beat faster. The lie detector measures your heart rate while you are answering questions. It also checks your breathing. Your breathe slowly if you are relaxed, but if you tell a lie, you breathe more quickly. Finally, it measures the sweat on your fingers. If
Okay, good. Okay, so what three things do lie detector tests measure?
three things is uh your your heartbeat,
Good.
uh you breathe more quickly,
Okay, so they measure your breath.
yeah, and your finger.
Good. And then the sweat on your fingers. Okay, do you know what sweat is?
I just know.
Okay, you know when it's really, really hot and your body like makes its own water?
Yeah.
That is sweat. Okay, good. Okay, so study the verbs in the zero conditional sentences in blue in the text. Then complete the first rule in the learn this box. So the section here that is in blue, all of this, is written in the zero conditional. Okay. So read them, see what is different about them or what they tell us, and then answer the block.
The zero conditional we use
Future tense,
uh
present tense, continuous tense.
uh we use the past tense.
Okay. Present simple
Oh,
tense.
wow.
Okay, there's no ed. Okay, if you are relaxed. So there is an ed word, but most of it is if you tell a lie, not if you lied, if you breathed. It's all in the present tense.
Yeah.
Okay, and then also present simple. So both of these are present simple. The if clause can come before or after the main clause. If it comes after, we don't use a comma. You breathe slowly if you are relaxed. So what they mean is it can be written two ways. So let's look at what they gave us here. Okay. So we're talking about the if clause when we use an if. So we can say if you breathe slowly, uh, sorry, if you are relaxed, you breathe slowly. Okay. So do you see how that one sentence we can write two different ways?
Yeah.
Okay. So if we start with the word if, we need a comma. If the if comes in between, we don't use a comma. Okay. So now they're going to explain zero conditional to you. So it's the if, present simple, present simple. And it's to talk about things that are always true. So like a scientific fact, something that is true to you. So let's read the examples. Can you read them for me?
If you freeze water, it turns into ice. And if you heat water at 100 degrees, it boils. If students miss an exam, the professor fails them. If my wife have a cold, I usually I usually catch it.
Good.
I get tired if I work too much. If I'm late for dinner, they start eating without me.
Okay. So it's not just scientific facts, it's things that are true. So if you don't pass your exam, you will fail. It is something that is true. Okay. So let's work together. Can you complete the facts using the zero conditional and the verbs below? So let's read number one. If you leave butter in the sun, how do we finish the sentence? Using get, heat, melt, and water.
If you leave butter in the sun, uh, it gets hot.
No? Okay. When ice cream or butter or something cold gets left in the sun, we call it melting. It melts. So it goes
Oh,
from a solid into a liquid. That is melt. So it will melt. Okay. Plants die if,
if you if you if you don't water,
good, if you don't water them. Okay. If you mix green, red, and blue light,
green, red, and blue lights. Uh, it will get I don't know what color.
yeah, okay, that's fine. It will get, and then we'll just put dot, dot, dot. But you've got the right sentence. Okay, we'll double check what it changes to. Okay, if you mix green, red, and blue paint,
It will get
it will get dot, 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 dot. Okay. Metal turns red and then white if,
it turns red and white. If it if you hit it,
good. So I'm going to put this one at the bottom. So if you heat it. Okay, if you subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what do you get? Sorry, I just answered your question for you.
if you subtract 1 2 3 4 5 from 2 2 3 4 5 6, it will get. Wait, what is subtract? I forgot.
You will get 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so that one you will get 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so let's check the answers. Okay, so it melts if you don't water them. Okay, so what is the color? Oh, you get white light. Okay. So if you mix green, red, and blue light, you get white light. Okay. You will get black paint, not black pain.
Oh,
Okay, so we just need a T. They made a mistake. Metal turns red and white if you heat it, and you get 5 ones. Good. Okay, now complete the sentences with information that is true for you. Use a zero conditional. So you need to make your own sentences. You need to finish them. So what is something that is true? So my parents get very angry if. So what do you do that makes your parents angry?
uh, my parents get angry if I study badly.
Okay, if I study badly. Okay, if I don't feel very well.
Uh, if I don't feel very well, I will go to a hospital.
Okay, good. I will go to a hospital. Okay, number 3.
I do better in exams if I have a review.
A revision lesson.
Uh,
Okay, so revision means you go over the work that you've already learned again. So usually if
yeah.
you have a revision lesson, it works a bit better. So we'll say if I have a revision lesson. Okay, number 4.
If I stay out very late, uh, I will be tired.
Good. I will be tired. Okay, number 5.
I get annoyed if this car horn too much. Horns.
Okay, if the car. Okay, so this word is different in every country. We call it beep, some people call it hoot, some people call it horn. So I'm just gonna say if the car horns too much. Okay, number 6.
If I feel sad, I will be happy.
You will?
I will.
Okay, I didn't hear the last word. I will?
I will be happy.
Okay, I will be happy. Okay, good. Well done. You understand the zero conditional.
Yeah.
Okay, so may, might, and could. So we're gonna learn the lesson. We're gonna have a lesson about the differences between may, might, and could. Okay, so can you read what the text says?
Imagine a boy is talking to a girl he secretly loves, but how does she feel about him? She may love him too, or she may not even like him. How can he find out? Ask her. That could be embarrassing for both of them, and she might not give a true answer. No, this boy needs a romance reader app. Load the app onto your phone and press start. Then when you are chatting to the person you are interested in, the romance reader listens and tells you if he or she likes you. It might be the start of a big romance.
Okay, good. So now let's look for all the examples of may, might, and could. So I will underline may in white. So where are some examples of may?
She may love him too, or she may not even like him.
Okay, so I'm just gonna highlight that because it's two in one sentence. Any other examples of may?
Uh, Wait. No.
Okay, then let's look for might. We'll do might in blue.
It might be the start of a big romance.
It might be the start of a big romance. Good. And then I see another sentence too.
And she might not give a true answer.
Good. And she might not give a true answer. Okay, and then we'll do the next one in purple, green. Okay, then could. Where are all the examples of could?
Uh, that could be embarrassing for both of them.
Good. That could be embarrassing.
Uh, yeah.
Good. Okay, so which two are negative?
The negative. Or she may not even like him.
Good. Okay, and then one more.
Might not give a true answer.
Good. Okay. So now let's complete the learn this box. To talk about possibility in the future or in the present or future, we can use may, might, or could followed by the infinitive without to. They may, might, could be at home right now, present. He may, might, could go out this evening, future. We use might not or something not for the negative.
May not.
Good, because we don't use could not. Okay, so complete the sentences. Use may, might, or could and the verbs below.
If it's a war film, it might it might be quite violent.
Okay, good.
If the stone is too dangerous, she she could refuse to do it.
Good.
If you write down your PIN number, somebody somebody could get it
Okay, not get.
and
So
use
remember
it.
your yes. Okay.
Uh, I I could get a bur burger from takeaway.
Good.
If you lose your receipt, they they may they could sell a refund.
Cannot
I
sell.
know.
This is a negative.
No. They might not give a refund.
Yes, well done. Okay, then number 6.
Uh, they 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 could sell garden furniture in the garden center.
Good. So see, you could say could for all of these. You can use may for all of these. Could, may, and might you can use interchangeably, which means it doesn't matter which word you use when you say your sentence. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay. So let's start talking about this. We got a few minutes left. Okay, so what is something that you may do if the weather is nice on Sunday?
Something you may do if the weather is on Sunday. I will go. I will go and play football.
Okay, good. What is something you might not want to do this evening?
Is doing my homework.
Okay, good. Somewhere you could go on Saturday evening.
I could go to my extra class in Saturday evening.
Okay. Something you could wear to a party.
I think I can wear a t-shirt to a party.
Good. Somebody you might see in the next couple of days.
In the next couple of days, I might see my friends.
Okay, good. A subject you could study at college or university.
Uh, a study I could a subject I could study at college or university is PE.
Okay, so you want to be like a coach, like a PE coach.
No.
No. Okay. Somewhere you might go on holiday.
Uh, I could go. I might go to. I don't know.
You don't know. Where do you want to go to? Canada, America. Choose any place
Yeah, around the world.
around the world. You can choose anywhere around
Yeah,
the world.
but yeah, but not some countries like yeah. I think I don't want to go to some country is religious. Yeah, yeah,
Okay, a religious country.
yeah,
Okay, that's different. Okay, well done. So we can finish there for today, and then I'll see you again on Wednesday. But
yeah,
remember our lesson. Okay,
yeah.
goodbye.